all of you will relate to is the IPL. You have different fielders, bowlers and batsmen. How is a team assembled? You take a bowler, you take a fielder and you take a batsman. So on that note, let me start with the point of the video. My friend Gopal here will get started with telling you the I'll tell you the step-by-step process of how we go about this. He'll be demonstrating that for you. So get started, Gopal. So yeah, first we segregate the different colors into groups of 3. So this is basically identifying your talent pool. Go slow. Now you see 9 different groups of 3 blocks of the same color. Now next, the first step here is to combine 3 colors together. We are considering light green, white and red as one group. Please see the order in which he is assembled, because this shouldn't be used again. So here you see white taking the 3rd position. Here you saw that it is taking the 2nd position. Yeah. So we are done with the ordering of the first 3 blocks: green, light green, white and red. Next we are considering the other 3 colors: yellow, brown and blue. The process is similar, but just be careful that the ordering is not the same. Yeah. Next we have black, pink and the other blue. This is one combination. This is the second combination. And the third one, like you would have guessed, has blue in the middle. Now that we have done this, the next step is to combine them into single rows of 3. We take one block from the first thing, another from the second combination, and another from the third combination. You can just show them that. So we are done with one row. So like, assume that this is the first level of the organization that we are assembling here. Now we are assembling the second level, the middle management, if you would. This is the second one. This should be put on top of that, and what you see here is that the one which came in the left is coming in the middle now. They'll interchange their positions in subsequent levels. And like you would have guessed, the first column is now coming on the third side. So now that we are done with this, let's get started on making them into a single block. Putting together a team of 9 big egos, you will definitely have problems, but we are just figuring it out.
confuse it. You don't have any.
We actually have it.
Yeah, here we have it.
You can. We can. Yeah. Keep it there. Don't worry about it. Keep it there. My dear friends, but the whole idea is that. Yeah, I know you'll be much more worried about the outcome for that matter. But we are more interested in the process. Please understand, this is simple, nasty thing. I say it's a very, very nasty thing. But here, you are not able to put the best out of it. Why? Because you are not given a thought. The other person should not get any confusion. Customer should be such a ऐसा सोते रहता है उसको डाल देना वो पीते रहता है. Customer should not have any inconvenience. Slightest inconvenience he has got it, you're out. Customer should not have any iota of inconvenience. That is called excellence. I was just looking at Jack Ma of Alibaba. He says, I don't know the technology, but when people have made Alibaba website, when they made the technical part, I'm a quality controller. If I get any confusion about it, it's out. I don't accept it because I don't know the technology. That is the quality control which they look for that. For example, you keep it there. If you can go back again and show it how it has happened, probably that will also be able to give it, like for example, you can do it repeatedly 2 times or something like that. How it go back, how it come again for that matter, that can also be done for that. My interest is very simple. You are studying communication skills. Why don't you practice? Why don't you practice? In my management course, you should demonstrate. Otherwise, I don't accept. And that is management. I am not asking anything else, communication. I am not talking about other things. I am asking about, it is customer satisfaction. It is value creation. When you communicate properly, value is created. If you are not communicated, value is eroded. Value is destroyed. Value creation is a process through which how you communicate with others. And you are spoiling it, and you say that this is the management. Okay? So my dear friends, I'm sure, you'll get it, but to get that grip at the earliest, जितना जल्दी आपको मिल जाएगा, उतनी अच्छी चीज़ है. For that matter. What I would like to, you found the mistake. I'll again put it. I will come to you. I just get ready. I'll come to you. Yeah, put it again. Open it. You keep the blocks like that. Keep the rods like that.
We'll repeat the process just so that we make it clear for you.
Yeah. And the terms which you are using should be standardized. The terms has to be standardized. Blocks, rods, plates, cube. Particles, atoms, molecules. Particles. Atoms, molecules,
Elements.
elements.
Compound.
Please understand, if you have mistake, you are spelling also this. Particles, atoms, molecules, elements,
Compounds.
compounds. That's simple in that. Blocks, rods, plates, cubes. You are using left and right, here and there. You don't have any standard for that matter. The moment you have created standards, you have not done that. For example, you go very clearly saying that these are the blocks. And you come to the rods, then you come to the plates, then you come to this thing. It's easy, it's very easy. Please understand, it's not difficult at all. You go to Alibaba, it's nothing, it's simple. You go to Google, it's nothing. 3 people programming, the world billionaires, billions of people can search for it. I was just reading yesterday, Google's CEO talking. He said, 3 आदमी हम program किया था. Billions of people can search billions of websites within seconds. I'm not talking. Go to Google and see for that. Larry Page, who's that? Google CEO? Huh? Larry Page. I was just looking at yesterday the presentation commencement address at University of very passed out Miami? No, very passed out. Massachusetts. He passed out. I don't know somewhere. So commencement address he was telling about saying that 3 people programming and billions of people can see the billions of records searched in seconds. I mean, that's a communication which you like. This is structured process. Absolute structured process. Okay. Again, try for it. Don't go for that, but rods to next level. You can look at that. Keep the rods properly. Keep rods properly. Yeah. You not kept them even properly for that matter. Look at this. You go to any shop, the fellow keeps the things absolutely perfect. You go to any pawn shop, there's absolute perfection to that. Is it? You go to cobbler, there is clearly place for that. That's called order. Everything in its own kind of thing. See this way how it's being arranged. Actually, you see these are absolutely reversed. See this. No. See the way how it's being done.
This one is not right.
No, actually,
No, right to left, right. Oh.
you're able to understand the process. You are miscommunicating and you think that you are communicating. Look at the way how it's being done. No, this is the confusion which we create for the people for that matter. You put it, see, said it right? Yeah. That's all. I mean, yeah. That's all.
Yeah. That would come second. Gopal is no correct.
Yeah.
He's following it.
Anything, either way. Look at the way how it's being done. Don't pick it up like this. It's a wrong method. This is wrong actually. You are not supposed to do like this. You are supposed to take it from here. You are not confused anybody. I'll put it again for that matter. इसमें क्या MBA की क्या जरूरी क्या है? All 9 colors are there. There is no overlap of colors. एक बात आप बोलने से उनको मालूम पड़ता है कि ये क्या बोले. Let me plug in. I'll go to the second plate now. I am not putting in the front, I am putting in the second. Give a space, you will understand. I am taking the second one, again not putting the second, but I am putting the third. I will take again second in the third lot and I will put in the first place. Why I am doing is this, there is a logic for it. Again you see all colors, all sides. Then come to the third. I take up this, you know where I have to put it.
Lost.
Because you talk that. You can understand where I am going to put it. I don't put in the front, I don't put in the second, I'll put it in the third. You communicate. I'll take the second one. You know very well. First time it came in the middle, second time it came the right part. Now we are going to get to the first part. That is the reason why I am putting it here. You know very well, last final flat where you should go for that. I am taking the same way how it went in for that matter. Look at again 9 colors on sides. Your action should communicate. Your plan should communicate. Not your word. You should give the space for the audience to understand. Unless otherwise it is not a management. You go back again, you can go front again for that matter. Okay, this is about constructing the cube. But now you can talk about what is the management in. That can be a separate video, you can make it for that and put it for that matter. You can also say about mathematics learning for that matter. You have a management learning, you have a maths learning, you have how to make a cube, third kind of. You can have 3 videos. You can have in multiple languages for that matter. You can come out with 100 videos. Not a major issue for that. Okay. I'll again impress upon you. You just do it and put it again for that. Both of you. You speak each other.